Good morning! Morning! Maglalakad kami, guys. Kukunin namin yung sasakyan nila actually. I'll do that later, babe. Yung baon ko kahapon, hindi ko naubos. Vitamin C, bawal magkasakit. Let's go?
Let's go.
Walang katao-tao. Kung sa Pilipinas to, nagiinuman na. Kapag sa Pilipinas, nagiinuman ng mga kapitbahay. Do you understand, babe?
I do.
What? What did I say?
I got a what, man?
No. I said, this is so different compared to the Philippines. Like, there's no one out. When you're in the Philippines, by this time, people will be out and drinking.
Robbing you.
Not robbing you. Drinking. Oh, I like that house. I really like that house, babe.
All they can see is the fence. Show them the house. Spin it.
That's a really good one.
No, they can't see the bloody house. Turn it around. Now you got the tree in the way.
Ang ganda ng house yan.
Good job.
Good job. There. Nice one. Dami namang trees dito. Am I the boss? Am I the boss, babe?
No.
He just said that a few seconds ago.
Who's
the boss? Me. I'm the boss. We are in his car.
We're in the shit car.
No, it's not a shit.
No more Porsche. Just Toyota.
We will go to his brother's house, drop off this car.
You have a bakery first? You got a coffee?
Oh yeah, yes. Oh, actually guys, we walked here para kunin tong sasakyan kasi pinaayos niya. And they clean it. See? Linis. Pinaayos niya yung dent kasi this guy got into an accident. I haven't told him that yet. It's been how many months, babe? It happened like few months ago na accident sa daan.
2.5, 3 months in.
Yeah? Like almost 3 months ago. Yes, I was in the car actually, and pinick up niya ako from the city.
This lady drove into us. Very dangerous.
No, it was his fault. Maybe it wasn't your fault.
I think I don't know.
What?
Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't.
Yeah. Bigla siyang lumabas, tapos yun, na ano ng konti yung harap na scratch, dent. So yun yung pinaayos niya. And ngayon lang yung time na mapapaayos siya kasi nga nasa bakasyon yung kuya niya, so may sasakyan kaming magagamit. And pwede naman siya ipa-service. Tapos bibigyan si Dan ng loan car na magagamit niya. Kaya lang hinintay niya na lang na umalis yung kuya niya para magamit niya yung sasakyan nila. Kasi usually kapag umaalis talaga yung kuya niya, pinapagamit niya yung mga sasakyan niya kay Dan, which he prefers kasi mas maganda naman talaga yun. If they give you a loan car, what car would it be?
Oh, they were Corolla. Not bad.
Corolla?
Not a bad lane.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's not bad.
$25 a day.
Oh, really? Oh, that's a good pull. Is it Porsche? Audi.
Audi, you dumb shit.
25 a day.
That's alright.
That's not bad at all.
No.
A day? That's good. 25 a day.
Like
but Porsche is way better.
Porsche is free.
And it's free.
Fucking free.
We're going to the bakery. We'll have brekkie, and then we will go to Rocky's house, leave this car there, and then walk home. That's the plan. Dito kami sa St. Peter's Bakery. Dito lagi bumibili ng cake yung mama na Dan and mga pastry, and he got pie, mushroom and beef and mushrooms.
Alright then?
No.
You like the flakiness?
I do.
You can just go up the roof.
I got my ham and cheese croissant. Yum. We need to share this, babe. I can't finish it.
Eat as much as you can.
I will. I'll do my best. And then hihintay lang na lang namin yung coffee. I got my latte. And sedan cappuccino yun sa kanya. Ooh, you broke it.
Do you want to see what Anton and Tristan are up to today? Let's see if they want to come for a drive.
Yeah, sure. Look at that. Sige.
Sorry?
Yeah. Yung plano sana namin is pumunta sa haunted jail, tapos mag-ramen tonight. And then sabi na Dan, we should go for a drive habang nasa amin pa yung course. Because it's really nice to take somewhere kind of far. Kasi the drive is really smooth and it's just really good. So, yeah, right? And it's a really great day as well. Sobrang ganda. Tatawagan niya yung kambal niya and see kung ano yung plano nila today. So, kung wala silang plano, punta kami doon. Kasama sila. Hello! We finished filming the Q&A! Thank you, babe. Q&A, and then we filmed, Dan did my makeup blindfolded as well. Thank you.
That's okay.
And now, we will look at this. Wait. Nung nagpunta kami sa Honda, binigyan nila kami nito. Oh, how cool is that? USB siya, guys. Nandun na lahat kung gusto mong tingnan yung mga features ng sasakyan. So, it looks like that. Meron kasi mga tanong sa Dan about dito sa car na to. HRV. Click on that. And then you will see like my video. Hala, babe, there's a video. Ang cool nito. Is that white?
Silver.
Silver. I like the white one. Ang cool, oh. Pa-USB na sila. And then I'm having guacamole and Doritos, yung original salted. And I just transferred all the video sa lapi ko. It's transferring right now. And yeah, kain. Guys, I have a new tripod. But I don't remember getting it. We received it yesterday. It came in the mail yesterday. Ganito siya, oh. I will be able to show you guys one because I received two for some reason. I don't remember getting this. Looks like this. I like it kasi, see, ka-level ko na kayo. Kasi umano siya, umaangat siya. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha. And then meron pa siya kasamang remote. Kasi parang selfie stick siya. Selfie stick na meron siyang ganito pa tripod na ganap. And I got two. I don't remember getting this. And then I got a package na pinick up namin kanina sa post office. I got 3 skirts from Rose Gal, I believe it is. Binigay lang nila sa akin to. I didn't pay for this at all. Oh, this is medium. I'm pretty sure I ordered a small. And I received it in medium. Hindi ko to bet. Hindi ko siya bet. Lahat ng to actually na na-receive ko galing sa kanila, hindi ko bet. But ito yung skirt. I think ito okay lang siya. Pero yung purpose ko kasi is para isuot siya sa trabaho, but I don't think I can wear this to work. It's not doing it for me. And then ito, ay nako guys, napaka-tsaka nito. Itong skirt na to. First of all, it's very loose. Sa picture kasi ibang-iba siya. Parang mahaba siya na skirt, pencil skirt. Mahaba siya na skirt. It's not supposed to be loose on this part right here. Like, feeling ko kapag sinuot ko siya, hilahin lang ng konti, wala na. Wala na akong skirt. And then, last one. Ito, gusto sana yung print niya. Kaya lang, it's very thin. And parang may tendency siya na maging see-through. See? I'm not sure. See? Yeah. Ano siya, sobrang nipis niya. And then, this is already a small. And hindi siya kasya sa akin. Malaki siya sa akin. Gustong-gusto ko pa naman sana yung print niya. Ito, hindi ko alam kung saan galing, pero it's cool. Meron siyang ganito. Diyan. Wow. Ang lakas ba eh. Yung ganap today is we will go eat ramen. What time are we leaving? Do you know?
For a while.
Do you know? I am actually.
7 o'clock.
We're leaving at 7. Oh, by the way, nagpunta kami ng Foodland kanina. Nahanap namin yung aking flaky na biscuit. I really like this. Ganito, oh, parang siyang Italian. This is Italian, babe, right? I'm pretty sure it's Italian.
Yeah,
Italian biscuit.
Australian. But made by Italian.
Okay. Yun, masarap to, guys. I have on my lips yung Too Faced na Queen Bee liquid lipstick. I like it as well. I love lighting. See? Oh, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone. We will watch a movie. What are we watching?
Get Out.
Get Out?
Let's go.
Oh, horror movie?
It's a horror movie.
Oh, guys, we just finished watching Get Out. It's really, really good. Si Dan yung pumili ng movie. Siya naman lagi pumipili ng mga movie na pinapanood namin. But the title is Get Out. And yeah, I recommend you guys watch it. It's really good. About siya sa mga black people na parang hinihip to, guys. Basta, it would not sound good if I tell you what it is about, but like you need to watch it, right, babe?
Yep.
It's a really good one. Good job, babe. Good choice. Now we will go watch watch ramen. We will go eat ramen, guys. City. Wait, let me put my seatbelt on. Okay. Punta kami sa city. Kakain kami ng ramen. Free parking?
Yeah, should be fine.
Yeah. Oh, we're not out yet. Dapat free yung parking nila dito kasi bumili kami ng ticket sa cinema. Kapag meron kang pinurchase dito, free yung parking. So we should be fine. We're here at Rice Ramen. Ayaw nila kami kausapin. There you go. Cool. Ito. Rice. What do you want? Nag-order ako. What?
We should see more horror movies.
It's not even horror.
That was
But
horror.
we should watch a horror one. I just feel like if we watch horror, I will be the only one who will scream.
You will be. I get a bit
Yeah.
jumpy though. Maybe.
I was jumpy. I was like, and it wasn't even a horror movie. Thank you. Ooh, water, peach iced tea. Sweet. What did you get? Mine was spicy ramen with like roast pork and egg.
Yeah, mine.
Yours is the same but not spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maganda dito, I'll show you. Tingnan nyo. Maganda. Oh, diba? Mga lights nila. Yeah. It's nice. No, it's not busy at all. For Saturday night, it's not busy at all. But all good. What?
Very intimate.
Intimate?
Do you know what that means?
Intimate.
That's what I said.
You said intimate.
Yeah.
What's mint?
Why can't I get the AFL score?
What?
The AFL app's not loading. I want to get the score.
Do you wanna, I was gonna say, do you wanna use my phone? I didn't bring my phone, I forgot.
At home? Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Should be at home. Lagi ko nakakalimutan yung phone ko. Oh well.
Oh well.
Oh well. Oh well. Kailangan ko humingi ng spoon and fork because I do not use this. I know. You know what? For quite a while, I actually like use this, and I do not know how I know how to use it.
When did you use it?
When I was in the US, like when we eat out, I don't want to ask for spoon and fork because like I was already there and I was with like, you know, people that like, you know, like rich people and they eat with chopsticks and for some reason I know how to use it. Maybe
Us poor people don't know how to use chopsticks.
no, I'm not saying that. It's just that I've never used chopsticks before, and then if we eat like Chinese restaurant and they use chopsticks, I had to use chopsticks as well because I don't want to be the only one like, oh, do you have spoon and fork? I don't want to be the difficult one. And I know how to use chopsticks before. Now that I'm not shy anymore to ask for spoon and fork, like I just don't care. I'm not using it. I'll try though. I'll
How much was the
try.
ramen?
What?
How much was it?
12?
Was it?
Yeah, not bad.
Check.
Yeah, like see, deep fried octopus is like $8.50.
I know, it's not bad.
Not bad. Today's special, ramen noodle and fish and pork stuck with fried leek. What's leek? No, that's an expensive one. Ah, ito yung shirt na binili niya last week. This is the shirt that you got from Harry's store. Show them. See? I like it.
What does it say? West Coast.
West Coast. No, there's more.
West side.
Town.
It's not
Downtown. West Coast downtown. Here, yeah. Thank you.
We grab fork as well as spoon, please.
Pasensya na po. Hindi po marunong isa. Ang ganda na ng tripod ka-level na natin. Wait. Ayan ako muna siya i-down. That's mine. And yung kay Dan. Hala babe, you have nori. That's nori, right?
I got no idea.
That green thing. I think that's nori. I think so. Can I have some of those?
Take it.
Oh, is it good? Or like seaweed?
Sorry, that's seaweed, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have some. Thank you! Seaweed pala. Anong nori? Or baka, nori talaga, babe. Hindi nyo naman makita. Pero I'm using chopstick. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, but it's working.
You're doing alright, babe. As long as it's getting from your bowl to your mouth, it's alright.
Right?
Alright.
I'm trying to pick up the egg. Ooh, look at me! Isang half lang ng egg yung nakuha niya sa ramen niya. Sabi ko, asan yung isang half? Like, posible naman na mag-boil sila ng egg tapos yung half i-keep nila dun. Kasi sa akin, 2 half. So, isang egg siya. I don't half. Siguro kinain ng chef. Yung half. Kasi imposible na wala yung isang half. Like, anong gagawin nila sa isang half? Tapos walang katao-tao dito. Kami lang. Dito kami sa San Churros. Gusto na Dan bumili ng white hot choco. Dito kami sa San Churros. Pinapahintay nila kami dito. Meron silang corner ng mga chocolate. Happy Easter. Heaven para kay Danto. Kaya lang mahal ng mga chocolate na dito. Have you tried their chocolate?
Yeah, chocolate's good.
What? What? Do that again.
No.
You're funny. That one. Chocolate. How much is that one? See, that's a small one.
$3.50.
$3.50? Not bad. This pink one?
$5.
$5. No way. No way, Jose. Ah, this is cute. But look at this.
These are good to drink from as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why do you think?
I know, just how that goes like that around your mouth. It does taste it's good.
Okay.
A bit fancy.
Got his white hot chocolate. It's actually good. I mean, I'm not gonna finish the whole thing. Hindi ako nag-order kasi I know I'm not gonna finish it. So this is that. And I've had like a sip or two. Actually 2 to 3 sips. And it's good. It's not bad. So yeah, San Churros white hot chocolate. It's good. We're heading home. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. Let's close this vlog, babe. Let's close it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Be good, babe.
Be good.
Very good. Bye. Good night. Good night.
Be good or be good at it?
Be good or be good at it. Sunta. Salad.
Majestic food, that looks cool.
Ooh, yeah. There's a lot of like teenagers out and about now, or not even teenagers. These people are like Dan when he was like.
When I was cool.
When you, no, you're still cool.
When I was young.
When you were young, because now you're old.
Old fart.
Old fart.